Chipped paint on your car can cause rust, which can spread and damage the body. Even small chips can lead to bigger problems if not fixed. Luckily, most chips can be repaired at home with basic tools and little experience. Firstly, wash the surface with high pressure of water, then rinse it off with soft towel. Take a brush and wrap 1500 grit sandpaper with it. Start sanding any residual surface rust, then pour some rubbing alcohol on a microfiber towel and wipe the surface properly. Then take a paintbrush, place some paint on its edge and apply it onto the chips of your car. Apply 2 to 3 layers of this paint onto the surface and dry it very well. Then apply some Silax solution on a paper towel and rub it gently on car paint chips. Then wipe off the solution with the help of microfiber towel. You will get just looking brand new car by using this effective method. Sandpaper is effective to sand the chipped out area of your car paint. Apply any hardener onto the paint chips with the help of brush. Then apply a thick layer of this hardener properly and dry the surface. Wet the surface thoroughly, then take a homemade block with 400 grit sandpaper and sand the surface very well. Then apply car paint onto the pad and rub it gently onto the surface. You will get just amazing results by using this effective method. Touch-up pens are great for fixing small scratches on car paint. They contain paint that matches your car's color to fill in chips and scratches. The Xdotoa White Car Paint Touch-Up Pen uses premium materials and technology to provide a smooth, glossy finish. It quickly repairs scratches, blends with original paint, and restores your car to like new condition. So by using given methods and recommended product, you can fix paint chips on your car at home.